So we're just going to make this a fun sewing Saturday. Today we have our sew along, and I'm going to put up some fabrics that are perfect for pattern number 145, St. John's top. This is such a pretty little striated print. It's a navy and white. It's just really, really pretty. It has stretch in both directions. It's 100% poly, but you know what? It's like a scuba. It's like a really, really lightweight scuba, and you can see it has great drape. It's just gorgeous. It's just so pretty. And then we have a good old black, because the one I'm wearing today is a black base. You'll see it a little bit later on. This has stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. Just really a beautiful fabric. A little more weight to it than a typical cotton, but it's just gorgeous. I mean, I loved it for that reason. It just wasn't as thin as some of the others are. And then this is 100% cotton. This is what I'm sewing on today. Beautiful, beautiful. You know, just right in style. This innuendo is just really pretty. Again, 100% cotton. This is 100% cotton also. This is a really, and no, you can't see it, but it's a very, very fine rib. It's really, really beautiful. A little bit thinner, but yet not cheap thin. It's really beautiful. It's dense but thin, if that makes sense. Very pretty. It's a beautiful wine color. So I'm putting in this overlay because I'm using the overlay on the pink this morning, but you can see that overlay is going to work beautiful on several different colors. And so this overlay is kind of a peachy orange and the innuendo colors, and then of course the green. This is a poly cotton. It has great drape, really beautiful drape. It's a mesh. It's a very fine mesh. It has stretch in both directions, and you can see how beautiful it goes with that green as well. So it doesn't matter really what you layer it over. This green, these are all fabrics from Theory, is like this wine. It's a kind of a hunter green. It's a very fine, thin rib. It has stretch in both directions, 100% cotton. Really just a beautiful fabric. And so we can get a little base if we want to change it up. We can do the whole thing one color, or we could do a little overlay, and this is what we're going to work on today. Isn't that pretty? Just fun. Just fun. And again, all of these today are going to be $11.99. Today only, they're going to be $11.99. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.